Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be share with you how you can customize or make a album cover in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it. Then log into Canva account. After logged in, you will find this search bar right here, album cover, and press enter from your keyboard. Then you will find thousands of templates here. Okay, thousands of templates, like you can see here 3,329 templates. So you can choose one and start your customization. Like I'm choosing this one and customize this template. Click this one. Then you can see here the template. You can customize and add your things by your own. So if you want to change the background color, just click on this portion and you can see here background color. You can make it to gray, you can make it to this one, you can make it to pink, whatever you want, but this one is good. I think black is good. So if you want to change this portion, want to change the color, you can click in by here and change the color like this. This one too, this can be red is good. You can change this color too. Okay, like this one. I'm just showing you the basic tutorial, just design by yourself with your own preference or creativity. If you want to change this one, all what I wish, just double click and backspace from your keyboard and write the thing you want to write, like galaxy, anything. Okay, so if you want to add something here in the space, you can go to elements and you can write here, let's say you want to add a guitar, so guitar, and press enter. You can see many guitar options, icons. Just pick one, and sorry, this one is black. Let's pick this one and you can add it here. If this so big, you can resize it like this. You can adjust it like this. Okay, all right. After finishing your work or editing, or if you want to you can also add text here. Like let's say you want to add this, you can resize this like this, or you want to add your by your own, add a heading. Okay, you already make this one, so you cannot add a heading here. Okay, so after finishing your work, you can download this work by clicking on share button. Then scroll down, you will find download button. Click on this download and this work will download in your system. Or if you want to share this work, then just click here and write here the email address you want to share with. And just click on share button. This then this work will send to this email address. Okay, so guys, this is how you can make or customize a album cover in Canva. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.